AutoCAD 3D modeling. In this video, we will learn 4 important commands for 3D modeling. Extrude command in AutoCAD 3D. The extrude command in AutoCAD 3D is used to create a surface or solid of a 2D surface or a 3D curve. The extrude command is widely used to create walls, shapes, etc. First, select Extrude command from the ribbon panel, or type Extrude on the command line press Enter. Second, select the object which we want to extrude. Press Enter. Now, specify the height of the extrude. Press Enter. Change Visual Style from Visual Styles Manager. Change from 2D wireframe to conceptual. Loft command in AutoCAD 3D. The Loft command in AutoCAD is used to create 3D solid or surface. 3D solid or surface is formed within the space between various cross-sections. The cross-sections determine the outer shape of the solid or surface. To create a 3D object using Loft, we are required to specify at least 2 cross-sections. Create the 3 objects. Move the objects separately in the direction of Z-axis using the Move command. First, select the Loft icon from the ribbon panel, or type Loft on the command line press Enter. Second, select the cross-section objects to apply Loft. Press Enter. The Loft will be created. Revolve command in AutoCAD 3D. The Revolve command in AutoCAD 3D is used to create a 3D solid or surface by sweeping the object through its axis at a predefined angle. The paths and objects that can be revolved. We are required to use polyline to create a base for Revolve command. We can rotate the object with respect to X-axis, Y-axis and Z-axis. We can either join the lines or segments before revolving. Create the figure. After that, create baseline to revolve around it. First, select Revolve icon from the ribbon panel, or type Rev or Revolve on the command line or command prompt and press Enter. Second, select the object to revolve with a small square cursor. Press Enter. Sweep command in AutoCAD 3D. 2D sub-object or object is swept along an open or closed path to create a 3D surface or solid using sweep command. The object enclosing the area is swept to create a 3D solid or surface, but an open-ended object is swept to create only a 3D surface. Create the object using the polyline command or join the lines. Create a object at the end point of the object. First, select the sweep icon from the ribbon panel, or type sweep on the command line or command prompt and press enter. Second, select the object to sweep. Here, we will select a helix. Press enter. We will learn in depth each of the command in upcoming videos. Thanks for the watching.